So if you're ever curious about what the height of a bull market cycle looks like, what prices do during that time, just look at the ADA chart. This is exactly what prices do. Now, this isn't to say we're in a bull market or anything like this. We are having more pumps again today. We're seeing the highest price levels we have seen in the last 6 months, guys. Obviously, you can count this wick back at the Ripple v SEC case win if you want, but basically since June is the last time we saw prices in this range. So this has been great. Now, again, if you guys caught my Shiba Inu video from earlier, I did talk about what is causing this pump today across the broader crypto market. There is now an open dialogue between the SEC and Grayscale about a spot Bitcoin ETF push to close out the year before that January 1st deadline, so I won't get too much into that. But we are seeing assets run. BTC is almost at 37K right now, and I want to talk a little bit about the bull market because at some point over, it looks like the next 2 or 3 months here, we're going to have that bull market confirmation. Times are going to look very different. So I do want to show you guys this. Now, we are above that 20-month moving average in terms of BTC. This is what we can use to gauge whether we are in a bull market or not, right? So we've been above this before a couple times this year, and we've retraced below it. And right now, what we need to see in terms of BTC is it needs to stay above this 20-month moving average. We need to have sustainability up here, okay? And right now, it's looking like we're probably going to get it. As always, this is not financial advice, but we have to see how November closes out. If November closes as a green month, and again, we stay above this 20-month moving average, if we can get about halfway through December and still show great positivity, strength in the market, we could have that bull market confirmation. Basically, we might be doing what we did back here at the end of 2015, that climb, that sustainability, and that was essentially the confirmation of the bull market back 2 market cycles ago, okay? So what does that mean as we enter the year? Now, when we had that time, we saw the start of the year look very different than what it looked like this last year, right? When we got through 2015 and we got into 2016, we dropped to begin the year. All right. When we had the last bull market or the last bear market cycle, we fell to close out the year, but pumped to begin the year. Right. So we kind of have that inverse effect going on, but we have the possibility here of getting the best of both worlds. All right. We may pump to close out the year and we may pump to begin the year. I've said before, this bull market realistically should be the most explosive bull market we've ever seen in the crypto market. We're likely to go from anywhere from, the $3 trillion high of the global market cap of crypto from the last bull market cycle to over $10 trillion in this bull market cycle because of mass adoption, because of spot Bitcoin ETFs, because of advancements in blockchain technology. There's a lot of things that are pushing us towards this explosion in terms of price. Price, guys, it's still suppressed to an extent, right? There are still so many players that are sitting on the sideline that are waiting to get in. We know that now institutional investors want to get into crypto. That's why there's this big push for spot Bitcoin ETFs. What do you think is going to happen when that money can actually flow in, right? When we do get these spot Bitcoin ETFs, right? We are going to see a surge across the market. Now, right now, when we look at ADA BTC chart, we are still showing strength there. We're actually looking like we are, in fact, about to break this long-term trend. Well, we're breaking it right now for a second time over the last 4 days, and we'll see if this continues to gain. Right now, ADA is showing a lot of strength in the market. It's not really showing any signs of pullback right now. We did go through that retracement the other day, which again is healthy, guys. It's important that we have retracements because straight up into the right charts are not sustainable. But right now, we look poised like we may, in fact, try to test out some of these other ranges that we struggled with, 40 cents, 42 cents, 46 cents throughout this year. So we'll see if this continues to be the case. We'll see if we do get some good news regarding a spot Bitcoin ETF approval. But this is a great thing, guys. We are so close to the bull market cycle, and the market is showing just that. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.